At Weld County Garage, even man's best friend knows where to find the best deals. Whether you're sniffing out a rugged truck or fetching the perfect SUV, it's where the best boys and the goodest girls go for the most positively irresistible deals. No bones about it. Our team has been serving Northern Colorado since 1908. And trust us, dogs have a nose for tradition. Our sales team won't chase you around the lot. No hounding here. Just helpful, tail-wagging guidance and trade-in values that you'll drool over. Our customer care team will fetch you any solution. We're well-trained to help you roll into a lease. You bark, they answer. Wrench and paw, tails in the air, our service team is ready to fix whatever's rough. From squeaks to growls, they'll sniff out the problem. We know how to treat your vehicle right, and we won't even chase it. Need a part? These pups will dig up any part, no matter how buried it is. From the first sniff to the final paw print, Woof County Garage has you covered. Rated 5 paws out of 5.
Don't woof.